Hi friends, welcome to Rainbow Civil Service Academy. March 24th, 2021 ஓட current affairs பார்க்குறோம். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ பார்க்கறனால உங்களுக்கு டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி, பேங்க், எஸ்எஸ்சி, ஆர்ஆர்பி அண்ட் போலீஸ் எக்ஸாம்ஸ்க்கான கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் கிடைச்சிடும். டெய்லி கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் உங்களை தேடி வர்றதுக்காக ரெயின்போ சிவில் சர்வீஸ் அகாடமியோட யூடியூப் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. பக்கத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணிடுங்க. Above 45 years can get COVID shot from April 1st government. The government has decided to expand COVID-19 public immunization drive to include people above 45 from April 1, throwing it open to a much bigger pool as several states battle a second wave of infection. The cabinet took the decision to expand the campaign, which started on January 16, 2021. It has so far included healthcare workers, frontline workers, people above 60 and those with comorbidities between 45 and 59 years. ஸோ கவர்மெண்ட் வந்துட்டு இப்போ COVID-19 உடைய வேக்சினேஷனை வந்து 45 வயதுகளுக்கு அதிகமாக இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு April 1 இருந்து கொடுக்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Maratha quota granted by Maharashtra government is constitutional, centered to Supreme Court. Maharashtra has the legislative competence for granting reservation quota to Marathas and its decision is constitutional as the 102nd Amendment doesn't denude a state of the power to declare its list of socially and educationally backward classes. Center told the Supreme Court on March 23, 2021. Stamp on 100 years of first visit of Mahatma Gandhi to Odisha released. Sanjay Dhotre, Minister of State for Education, Communication and Electronics and Information Technology, digitally released a commemorative postage stamp on 100 years of first visit of Mahatma Gandhi to Odisha. This commemorative postage stamp celebrates an important event of Indian history, which is the first visit of Mahatma Gandhi to Odisha on 23rd March 1921. It energized the non-cooperation movement and strengthened the cause of freedom struggle. மகாத்மா காந்தி ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒடிசாவுக்கு விசிட் பண்ணி 100 இயர்ஸ் ஆனால் செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக அவருடைய பேரில் வந்துட்டு ஒடிசா கவர்மெண்ட் வந்துட்டு ஸ்டாம்ப் ரிலீஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Center to launch Poshan Abhiyan for senior citizens. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment aims to launch a Poshan Abhiyan for the elderly to provide nutrition support to the indigent who are not staying in the old age homes and are victims of severe malnutrition. Old age homesல இல்லாத அதே சமயம் சிவியர் மால்நியூட்ரிஷன்ல இருக்கக்கூடியவங்களுக்கு போஷன் அபியானை வந்துட்டு சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் வந்து லான்ச் பண்ண போறாங்க. The Gram Panchayat and urban municipalities are the implementing agencies of the scheme. The funding for the scheme is from the Senior Citizens Welfare Fund. India-Pakistan Indus Water Commissioners meeting held in New Delhi. Pakistan raised objections to the designs of Pahaldal and Lower Kalnai hydropower plants in Jammu and Kashmir. The Pahaldal hydroelectric project, 1000 megawatt project, is proposed on the Marsudar River, a tributary of the Chenab River in Jammu and Kashmir. The Lower Kalnai project is proposed in Kishtwar and Toda district. The Indus Water Treaty warrants the two commissioners to meet at least once a year, alternatively in India and Pakistan. Shahid Bhagat Singh Smarak inaugurated in New Delhi. Shahid Bhagat Singh Smarak was inaugurated in New Delhi by Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank on March 23, 2021. Saudi Arabia proposes UN-sponsored ceasefire in Yemen. Saudi Arabia government has proposed UN-sponsored ceasefire in Yemen and is awaiting a response from the rebel Houthi movement. This peace initiative by Saudi Arabia is in line with the previous proposals like consultation efforts to end crisis. How Saudi Arabia will help Yemen? Under the peace initiative, Saudi Arabia has planned to resume operation of the international airport in Sana'a, a capital of Yemen. The country will help in partial removal of the blockade from Yemeni port of Al Hudaya. What is the issue? Yemen is going through an internal conflict between movement by Houthi rebels and government forces for 6 years. That's all about today's current affairs. Please subscribe Rainbow Civil Service Academy YouTube channel for more current affairs. Thank you.